you both actors have a very strong, a serious actor wala image. How big is the image that it's difficult for people to understand that you can do comedy so swiftly as well?
I didn't know कि हमारा serious actor वाला image है यार. हमारा तो actor वाला image है. But for me, no, I love. I mean, if one has to just break it down to comedy, I love to do comedy. Love it. So, Baketi, I don't think it's a full-out comedy in a way, but yes, of course, it's got a lot of the comic in it because it's about everyday life, which is quite tragic and comic, I think. So, मुश्किल तो नहीं. I felt quite easy to get into the comicness of it or the lightness and the Baketi of it.
But slice of life series है, real life से मतलब जो रोजमर्रा की चीजें वो सब है. But capturing all those things is challenging. In my view, I mean, capturing all the nuances of which makes everyone relatable to that thing. Do you think it's challenging to portray on screen, or do you think it's easy?
But to capture nuance of anything, whether it is this or whatever the context, is challenging. You can have something opposite in content, but the nuance is missing. Then nuance is in itself a challenging thing to sort of make it land. And I think it's landed really, really well in this, is what I feel, because the writing was fairly strong and solid. That is half your work done. Then there are actors like this, so then that's also like a lot of it done. And I think क्योंकि सच्ची में ये ईज एक जब मटेरियल का होता है जो कि है इस मटेरियल में, क्योंकि लिटरली हाई ड्रामा भी है तो विदिन द पैरामीटर ऑफ बकैती की इस दुनिया का ही है, और हाई इमोशन भी उसी के अंदर का है, और बकैती तो है ही. तो आई थिंक द ईज ऑफ मटेरियल हेल्प्स यू एंड पुल्स यू इन वेरी बहुत आसानी से. सो मतलब एक तो बहुत ही आई थिंक हमने जो भी काम किया, आई थिंक ही सो वेल entrenched in that character that it makes your work easy as a co-actor. और बहुत मतलब मुझे जो ये बोलते हैं नर्वसनेस एंड ऑल, इतना मतलब मुझे बहुत इजी लगता है इनके साथ में to always to work, and it's he's so that character so much which हमने अब ये तीसरा होगा ना हमारा काम. तो it's like whatever his work is towards creating that is his inner thing. I don't know how he arrives at it, but like Mirzapur particularly for me, it's like very बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. एंड कुछ इनके साथ में ना क्या बोले, कोई डिस्टेंस क्रॉस नहीं करना पड़ता है टू अराइव एट समथिंग, टू रीच. या इट्स रियली वेरी सेफ space for me as a co-actor, and it's him, he creates that na. It's matlab it is him and he creates that, and that is always matlab it's like आपके काम में ये आपको बहुत मदद करते हैं in just by being how he is as an actor.
Help the kind of camaraderie you both have, because you both have the theatre का.
I don't think essentially theatre की वजह से है, क्योंकि ऐसे तो फिर हम बहुत सारे एक्टर्स के साथ में काम करते हैं, बट इट डज नॉट who are also theatre actors, but I think it's a personal thing. Theatre obviously teaches teamwork very very much, and मतलब मेरी समझ में यही कि आप सीन से बड़े नहीं हैं, आप स्क्रिप्ट से बड़े कभी नहीं हो सकते, आप मटेरियल से बड़े कभी भी नहीं हो सकते. हम उसके अंदर हैं, हम उसके मुलाजिम हैं. तो टू ऑलवेज हैव दैट रिस्पेक्ट एंड दैट सेंस, आई थिंक, व्हिच या फॉर मी दैट्स.
You both have been working in the industry for quite some time, and it took such a long time for you. I mean, you are part of so many big films and being a very extremely strong supporting role in those films. Over the years, you are shouldering the projects. How does it feel like a sense of achievement as well?
Are we shouldering projects? I don't think we're shouldering. I don't know.
You are.
But I'm sure over time we have as actors we feel that more space है ना, because of
Yeah.
OTT. वो तो हुआ ही है कि much more fleshing out, much more space literally is given to you as the characters, and so as actors I'm sure हमको मज़ा in the last some years कहीं ज़्यादा आ रहा है ना काम में than before, because पहले ये क्या बोले लग्जरी मुहैया नहीं थी कि है ना कि yeah, so shouldering तो I don't know, but yeah, it's I think because the stories are so that characters which we are given to play now, they have a meaning, they have कुछ जगह वाकई. It's not just a लिखने के लिए ऐसे टिकमा करने के लिए ही नहीं डाल दिया सिर्फ पॉपुलेशन बढ़ाने के लिए, बट they're doing something. I think because of that we also get to do something.
मैम आप कुछ प्रोजेक्ट ऐसा शोल्डर करना चाहेंगी and you would like to take that kind of responsibility which he said like little scary though.
Yeah, that's always nice, na? But yeah, I'm sure the same thing applies like that also. But why not? Yes, of course, it will be wonderful to. Yeah, because I think that's also how it's a part of the game, isn't it? It's how. Yeah, why not?
You were saying that your thought process was yeah.
No, मतलब अच्छा ही है, क्यों इसमें क्या ही मतलब कहने के लिए क्या है? Of course, yes, that would be lovely. So I've done a film like that, but then that was 100 years back, and I don't think too many people saw it also. So, but yeah, it's always wonderful to have just more to do in terms of वो लिखा ही वैसे गया हो अगर आपके लिए तो बहुत ही सुंदर है.
You will be next seen in the Magnus Opus, Ramayan, which everybody's talking about, and a lot of expectation. What do you want to say about your character? You are playing Mandodari.
I'm playing Manthara in it. Yeah. तो छोटा सा ही रोल है यार, तो मतलब
बट पूरी कहानी उसकी वजह से
है ना वो तो बस yeah, it's just great to be again part of a big, because that has another kind of space in the galaxy of our industry. So yeah, it's nice to be a part of.
I was eavesdropping the earlier interview and you said that you worked in a green screen. So how challenging was it?
हाँ यार, तो मुश्किल तो है थोड़ा ना, because you feel like a little bit suspended in whatever. Green screen काफ़ी, but थोड़ा सा exterior भी था, but a lot of that. Yeah, it was a different experience, little bit, yeah.